좋아, 진짜.
Welcome to cobertpham도. I'm Keith Cobert, and this is Casey's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be making a treat for you, what you would call 갈비탕. So, I'm going to change it a little bit because I'm going to make bigger 갈비탕. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is just chop up a little bit of celery. I'm going to put my ribs in. Already starting to hear it sizzle off. That's exactly what I want to do. Nice, meaty, these are beautiful. I'll put these meatier ones in first. And get some color on them. A little bit of salt. And yep. Little brown, nug, unbelievable flavor. Important. Each one will have their little unique thing to it. On top of my bagel. Now you see this cloudy part here? As this cooks, it'll clear up, get clear. And then what I'm going to do, this is not for today, it is for tomorrow. So what we'll do is put it in the cooler. After it cooks down, add a little more water and I get me a cap. All the fat will come to the top, and tomorrow we'll take it off, and then we'll have a very low fat, beautiful 갈비탕. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy. I've got my 갈비탕 here, getting ready, prepping the thing. Put it in the refrigerator overnight. So we're going to open it up, and you can see all the fat is hard as a rock on the top. But what I'm going to do is take this off. Hear that? Perfect. And we'll break through this. And you talk about an easy way to remove fat. Check this out. you know, as we're going through the COVID seasons and all that, you know, you can't eat in restaurants or, you know, not supposed to. Make you some great Galbi tongue at home. You know, I don't know if you can see this with the camera, but you can see it's kind of a little congealed. It's got a little of that good beef jelly in it, so what that means it's going to be really rich and flavorful. And we're going to put this back on the stove, and this is what we're having for dinner. Okay, I'm going to split our soup. Wow. 진짜. 아이고. 좋아!